Equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. First is V is equals to U plus AT. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. V square minus U square equals to 2AS. These are the three equations of motion where U is initial velocity. Initial velocity is the velocity of the body when the motion was started. V stands for final velocity, velocity when the motion ended. T for time taken. A for acceleration. And S for distance or displacement. Now, two things that you have to keep in mind is whenever we are using equations of motion, there are two conditions. First is body should move along a straight line. When a body is moving along a straight line, then only you can use these equations of motion. This is the first thing. Second thing, body is moving with uniform acceleration. If body is moving with uniform acceleration, only then you can use these equations of motion. So these two conditions are necessary if you want to use these equations of motion. So now we'll derive these equations of motion by graphical method. So first one is V is equals to U plus AT. First you have to write the theory part that is given in your notes, and writing the theory part is mandatory. So V is equals to U plus AT. We will derive all the equations of motion by using velocity time graph. So draw the velocity time graph. Time, velocity, this is origin. Now we'll draw a graph for uniform acceleration. So do you remember what is the graph for uniform acceleration? A straight line inclined at an angle theta. So we will draw a straight line, but we won't start the motion from origin. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि बॉडी की इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की भी कोई वैल्यू हो. If we'll start the graph from origin, it means that initial velocity is 0. But it can be possible कि initial velocity की भी कोई value है. So we'll start the graph from any other point than origin. Draw a straight line. Now it should have an angle theta with x-axis. अब x-axis तो यहाँ है. So what we can do is draw a line parallel to x-axis, and this angle will be theta. Now body is starting its motion from here. So this will be the initial velocity. The motion is, we are taking this much motion. So this velocity will draw a perpendicular to y-axis, and this velocity will be final velocity, that is V. Again draw a perpendicular on x-axis. Name the points. Take this point as A, B, C and D. We know that from velocity time graph we can find acceleration as well as distance traveled. Now in this equation, distance is not present, S is not present. It means what will use? Acceleration. Acceleration we can find by finding the slope of the graph. Up slope is given by tan theta, and value of tan theta is perpendicular upon base. If this is a right angle triangle, ABC, right angled at B, so perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Now we have to put the values of BC and AB. This we take as T, time. BC, C की वैल्यू यहाँ तक कितनी है? V, and B की वैल्यू यहाँ तक कितनी है? U. So BC will be V minus U divided by AB. What is the value of AB? T minus 0. So it will be T. and we know that acceleration is given by the slope of the graph. तो tan theta को I can write a. So a is equals to v minus u by t. ये वही फॉर्मूला बन गया जो हमने एक्सेलरेशन की डेफिनेशन में करा था. So by cross multiplying we'll get at is equals to v minus u. By rearranging we'll get v is equals to u plus at. So this is our first equation of motion.